Math teacher for kids. Yippee!
Hey smart learners, we are going to learn something magical together. Are you ready? Oh, do you know we have some words that are magical, that when you use them, the people around you are always special and happy. Yes, these words, when they are used, they make people feel so special, happy. And today, we are going to learn about these words. Oh, see my magic box. Oh, should we open it and see the words inside? Yes, let's open it together. Yeah, yes, see all the magic words. Now, magic words are words that when they are used, they make people feel special, happy, and loved. And we're going to learn how to use these words so you can use them when necessary. Let us learn the magic words together and start making magic with them. So, this magic word is please. Say please. Say please. You use please when you want to make a request. For instance, if you need a toy or if you want to collect a toy from Jaden, you say, Jaden, please, can you give me your toy? Or if you want to collect something from your friend, you say, please, can you give me your toy? So let's say please together again. Say please. Please. When do you say please? Yes, when you need to make a request. Correct.
Can I have the blocks, please?
This magic word is thank you. Say thank you. Yes, thank you. You say thank you when you want to appreciate someone for what they've done. For example, after collecting a toy from Jaden or collecting a toy from your friend, you say, thank you. Say thank you. Now, thank you. Thank you for listening to me. Say thank you. Yes. Correct. Good job.
Thank you, smart teacher.
You're welcome.
This is excuse me. Say excuse me. Excuse me. Say excuse me. When do you use excuse me? You use excuse me when you want to get someone's attention. Excuse me. Excuse me, smart teacher. Excuse me, smart teacher. By doing that, you've gotten my attention. Or if you want to move past someone, instead of just bumping on that person, you say, please excuse me. I want to move. And that person will excuse you. So now say, excuse me. Good job.
Excuse me. Ethan.
Oh, this magic word is sorry. Sorry. Say sorry. You use sorry when you hurt someone and you want to apologize. You say sorry. If you mistakenly push someone or you mistakenly hurt someone or you hurt someone intentionally and you want to apologize or beg, you say, I'm sorry. Or if you want to apologize to your mom or dad, you say, I'm sorry or sorry. Now, say sorry. So, by doing this, it means you care for that person and you're sorry for what you've done. So, say sorry. Good job.
I'm sorry, Amy.
Yes, this is the last magic word and this is pardon me. Say pardon me. Yes, pardon me. Pardon me. Yes, you use pardon me if you mistakenly sneeze. You say pardon me. You use pardon me if you didn't hear what someone is saying and you want them to repeat it. You say pardon me, please, what did you say? Pardon me, smart teacher, I didn't hear you. Then I will repeat what I said. So now, let's say all the magic words together. This is please. Say please. This is sorry. Say sorry. Yes, sorry. This is excuse me. Say excuse me. Yes. This is thank you. Say thank you. Yes, thank you. And this is pardon me. Say pardon me. Yes, this was cool and fun. As you can see, these words are so special and magical, and they make people around us feel loved and special. Will you start using the magic words from today? Yes, that's good. I'm proud of you. Magic words are words that make people feel special and loved.
Let's sing this magical song together.
There are 5 magic words. There are 5 magic words. There are 5 magic words that I know. Please excuse me. Sorry, thank you. And the last word is pardon me. There are 5 magic words. There are 5 magic words. There are 5 magic words that I know. Please excuse me. Sorry, thank you. And the last word is pardon me. Please excuse me. Sorry, thank you. And the last word is pardon me.
Hello friends, it's time to play a fun and magical game. Do you know the magic words? Magic words, magic words, magic words that you know.
Thank you. Excuse me. Pardon me. Please.
You are welcome.
But you are welcome is not a magical word.
You are welcome is also a magical word.
Actually, Ethan, you're welcome is also a magic word. Wow, you all did a great job. Can you tell me the meaning of the magic words?
We use sorry when we want to apologize for hurting
We
someone.
also say sorry when someone gets hurt. We say sorry to show we care.
We say please when we want to make a request.
We say thank you when someone helps us.
We say please when we want to make a request.
Now you know the magic words. Let's use them every day because these words are magical. Bye.
Bye.